footprints. I see a map of who we have become. Some marks are light and hesitant, others are deep and bold, but together they tell the story of every obstacle we overcame and every leap of faith we took. We aren't just here to look back at the trail we've left behind, but to prepare for the vast new world waiting for us over the horizon. Dr. Lorely H. Labramonte, respected principal, Ms. Shelame L. Lavilla, our honored guests, dear teachers, beloved parents, and my fellow graduates. A wonderful afternoon to all of you. Looking back, we see a past built on far more than just our own efforts. No trek like this is ever walked alone. Behind every milestone we reach, there were hands that lifted us up when we stumbled and voices that whispered encouragement when the climb felt too steep. There were people who saw a finish line we could not yet imagine, and who believed in our potentials, even we were blinded by our own doubts. They help us realize that our accomplishments are never ours alone. Rather, the harvest of seeds planted by those who love us. It is their presence in our lives that reminds us why our own faith takes the step. It is gratitude that serves as a compass, which gives depth, directions, and meaning to every step of the way. To our teachers, thank you for being more than just teachers. You have been guides, storytellers, and sometimes gentle challengers who push us to do our best. You saw potential in us, even we did not see it ourselves. You taught us that learning is more than just getting the right answer. It is about being curious, asking questions, trying again when you fail, and caring for others along the way. You showed us that mistakes are not the end, but stepping stones to growth, and that every challenge we face can teach us something important. To our parents and families, you have been the quiet heroes behind every step we took. You celebrated our first victories, supported us when we struggled, and reminded us that even small efforts matter. Your love has been our anchor. Your faith in us has been our strength. And your sacrifices, both seen and unseen, have built a foundation that allowed us to grow, explore, and believe in ourselves. Without you, our journey would not have been the same. And for that, we are endlessly grateful. To my fellow graduates, today, we trade the familiar for the unknown. We carry with us more than just diplomas. We carry a map made of every lessons we have learned, bonds we have forged, and the grit to keep walking, even when the ground gets uneven. Every hurdle ahead is just another chance to discover how strong we really are, and every new path is an opportunity to leave a mark that is uniquely ours. May we move forward with courage, to venture forth, and the hope to dream big. Above all, let us give thanks to Almighty God who has guided our steps, protected us through challenges, and blessed us with the people, opportunities, and strength that made this journey possible. With faith in Him and confidence in ourselves, there is no path uncertain, no challenge to brave, and no dream too far to reach. Class of 2026, today, the quest for discovery doesn't end. It simply changes terrain. We leave behind the familiar hallways, but we carry the fire of everything we have learned. So let us take that first step into the unknown with our heads held high. Let us be the leaders, the dreamers, and the pioneers we were meant to be. Don't just follow the trail. Blaze a new one that others will be proud to follow. Our story is just beginning, and the best parts are yet to be written. Congratulations to all of us. Let us never be afraid of the distance we have yet to travel. The road is open, the wind is at our backs, and our journey has only just begun. Thank you and mabuhay Batch 2026.
Thank you so much.